Number 3, make sure say you have a strong mentality. If you don't have a strong mentality, a strong mindset for work, start develop it from now. Because when you come over here, so if you don't work, you don't eat.
Welcome to the boss with another video, guys. Put a thumbs up on the video, put a like on it, touch the little finger thing I want to say up. Yeah, right there. So yeah, touch it. Leave a comment, Well, I've never traveled yet. I've never experienced going to foreign, staying with a family member, staying with a friend, etc. But a lot of people have experiences and they come to social media to share their experience. But me not lie, I think I posted about 3 videos about these stories. I know the viewers don't like hear different people opinion and different experience. But me not lie, the one here, it connect. I never got foreign yet, but based on where this girl said me that work, I believe every single thing. I want to flood the comment and make me know if we share talk say make sense. Me believe say everything we share chat say make sense 150%. But here you know, when I say me I chat too much, so I make una listen, comprehend and comment. Alright?
Hear me out. You see, if you live at Jamaica and you plan to come a foreign, these are 3 things that you need to make sure say you have before you come. No, nobody come bash me and tell me, say me I tell people say if you not come a foreign because me not do that. Just I tell us say if you have them 3 things here, it will be easier for you when you reach here and you feel adjust. Number 1, make sure say you have a get back money. Me know you know what me I talk about. From your Jamaican, you know what me I talk about. At least, if I even just have a money to buy a phone and to pay your first phone bill, because when you come here, it's going to take a time for you to find a job. Link or no link, it's still going to take a time for you to find a job. So make sure say you have your get back money. If you even just can rustle up the money just to buy a phone and to pay your first phone bill, that good, because once you have your phone, guess what? You can get to work. You don't need nobody to give you no links once you have your phone. Your phone can make you get to work. Number 2, make sure say you can read and write. Because if you come to this country and you can't read and write, people take you and turn you in an idiot, my love. And you know, say, I don't like me I tell. Because if you even forget a job, you have to use GPS to find which part of the job. Remember, say you don't know the country. If you can't read and write, you can't use GPS, Number 3, make sure say you have a strong mentality. If you don't have a strong mentality, a strong mindset for work, start develop it from now. Because when you come over here, so if you don't work, you don't eat. And you have to have a strong mentality up here. So because sometimes the same people them will get a bus to come a foreign. The same people will hug you up and love you up and show your smiling face when they're yard. So when you come here, so the whole of the sweet face them so like a line, my love. And them same one we take and fling you up on your face. So guess what? Make sure you have your get back money. Make sure so you can read. And make sure so you have a strong mentality. So nobody not take you and turn you in an idiot. So you know, so guess what? Me have to work hard and me have go after this. By all means, of course, foreign country nice and it's sweet. But guess what? You see, if you have them 3 things that before you come here, remember me tell you, the transition will be easier and better for you.
When you hear that, when you take notes, all of who out so want, but not say, you know, if you go on and listen what she says she not say, but you know, if you have a mindset for work, you can go, but you go sit down like Jamaica and go and like say, yeah, money I got hand over to you. And that's how you go. Alright, so big up yourself, my friend, for the video there. But come move to the next video, yeah. Tell me what you think about where the lady I say, you know, that long still.
You understand? No fun have no friend America lie to you. No. Let me tell you something. You see when you come up, you see that auntie and uncle there, where you come up and you live with, let me tell you, a 2 week. You see after 2 week, face can turn. Can I check the levels now? You can't come up here and say, oh, you get up there go in a fridge and you lie down in a couch too much hours a day. You're on video game, you're on Wi-Fi. Let me tell you.
Isa, like funny, you know, because I tell you this. You said no foreigner come down to Jamaica. One thing we do as Jamaican, I mean, not lie. We treat them with respect. We give them with house. We give them room for sleeping. No matter how long them there. We give them bed. We give them food. them can't sit down in a couch to do anything. We not look panda in something there. Yo, Jamaica are one of the most lovingest people. Only thing with some of we licky. Yeah, we licky. So when you say foreigner come, it's like we tail cock up in our ear because you say, yeah, auntie I bring shoes to me, auntie I bring. Those are the days. Let me tell you this. Everything there at Jamaica now. Everybody can shop online. Anybody can look like foreigner. Anybody can do this, do that now. Those were the days when you hear say foreigner come here. You know everybody I look for this sweetie. You know everybody I get sweetie. Everybody I get them look. Remember them days the guys when we young? Things and time change. So when foreigner come here now, me personally don't frighten like for foreigner like me I got excited over the moon. But just look on foreigner as a normal person now. But when I younger, when I hear about foreigners like me, the first thing come to my mind, where them I bring for me. You remember? Leave in a comment. Where them I bring for me. But those are the days, you understand, things get more modern now, so everybody have a choice and people get opportunity to visit and can go as they like. But me I tell you, we as Jamaican, we treat foreigners with respect. Yeah, man, we carry them go places, we do everything. Sometimes, it might cost the foreigner a little thing, because you don't know, some more time they come and spend them pound or US. But otherwise, on that, if you can afford it, sometimes we treat them with respect. So, I don't know if foreign, when they are foreign, everything, mindset change for family. I don't know if it change the mindset. So, you know, I know people say enough time them left people in them house and when them go work and come and see them and just spread off in a settee, TV and dishes them dirty all type of something. You know, family member come in and vex and all of them. There's a whole heap of things to it here, guys, but you don't know. Everybody have a different experience. Everybody, then what I say, puts on dog now if he said look. You understand? So maybe a man might go up there and him dropping a job, it work out good for him. But I love them tips here. You understand? And more time you have woman come and say them a married a man and you're excited to go. Sometimes them it don't work out how you think. You understand? Because I run a program at night time and you can join me 8 to 8:30 if you're interested and listen. Enough of them discussion with people calling and talk about different experience. And I just know say yeah, things is not so glittery in every department. You understand? Not saying going to foreign is a bad idea. It's better a working opportunity. But as the lady said, if we were lazy a yard, you can't lazy abroad. And alright, that's me I left it. Big up on yourself, love you know. Put God first, all the best. One love, one heart. Let's stick together and we'll be alright. Big up on yourself.